You got it.
I wouldn't use this.
Why?
I would not use this.
You have to now.
We're back, it's Super Sunday, and today we're getting this thing fully stripped for like the 80th time so we can send it out to powder coat. So we got a lot to do. We got Steve here.
What up, dude?
We're gonna rip on it. Let's do it.
So is this cracked or no?
What? No.
It wasn't? Nice. It was just the paint?
Yep.
Yeah, it's probably cool.
Somebody took a crowbar back to it.
Yeah, this car was
Vandalized.
It was?
Yeah, windows shattered in that one.
We got a clip underneath here. I'm afraid to break that because it looks like one hell of a fucking...
Well, at least it wasn't cracked like you thought.
It's out.
You guys need the torque for anything?
No.
We did, but not anymore.
I mean, should I just get it ready?
Yeah, absolutely.
Alright, I'll just be ready for it.
You can go upstairs and get the bathroom.
Oh, that's broke.
Yeah, no wipers.
Can't drive this car in the rain.
You probably won't
I'm gonna
know.
delete the wipers here.
I figured.
Why?
I don't only want the wipers.
I love to just sometimes put... What if you got like dust that you gotta like wipe off?
Get a rag and stop the car.
That's one Polish man to another Polish man. It's pretty sad.
What if you're driving and 37 birds
You're
shit?
gonna need to deal with that guy.
37 birds shit on you at the same time.
37 bird shit, I swear to God, I'm fucking chasing all of them down.
Hey, listen. Just because you're on a diet and you want to have a less than satisfactory life doesn't mean I have to.
Wait, what did you say? I just say less than satisfactory diet?
Yeah. You don't want to eat ice cream? That's your problem.
I can't eat ice cream. You don't like how to tolerate. You know me for
You want to eat a fucking T-bone steak? Then don't.
Take the fucking pill then.
You can't judge me because I want to eat good.
Take the lactose pills.
I want to live my life eating
Hey,
food.
live your life disassembling this thing. We're on a fucking time crunch. Alright, so we're back at it. We did a decent amount of progress on last time, so now we're back here another night, and we're going to try to strip the rest of this thing because we are a week away from blasting and it needs to get to the body shop. So Steve's behind camera. We're going to start cranking this thing out. We'll show you everything that's been taken off so far, and we'll finish stripping it hopefully today. All the doors are removed. We have to remove the hatch. So I'll show you what the underside looks like now and the engine bay, and then we'll get to it. boots all painted and shit.
No, it's not. I already took out like 7 fucking boots for the goddamn wiring harness.
Oh no!
What is that?
That's my lens.
No.
You're dead.
I didn't even go anywhere. I just stepped in the car.
Steve. Fucking why?
Where'd you put the fucker? Don't look at me. What do we got left?
So we got,
Door panels.
here we got door, well we gotta take the doors apart.
Yeah.
The doors are on stands right there. I'm gonna order another stand. We gotta take the hatch off and take the hatch apart. And then,
Dry ice.
yeah, we're gonna get dry ice and we're going to try to remove all of the OEM sound deadener. Just as much as possible. I'm gonna lizard skin the inside of this, so it doesn't need to be like 100%. But we're gonna try to dry ice all of this and remove it. Then after that, I mean, I don't really know what's left after that.
Glass.
Right,
That's it. And then it's going to paint.
right. So we got all harnesses out. Actually, we have everything out of this car now, right?
For the most part, yeah.
I mean, yeah, so everything's out. The only thing we have left is glass. A couple harnesses. We're gonna take the hatch off. We're gonna disassemble the doors. And then a week from now, this thing's off to blasting, and then it'll be to the painter. So that'll wrap up this episode of Super Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you later. How light's the chassis now? Can you pick it up? Oh, yeah, it's pretty light.
Yeah. I think she's good. I don't think we can eliminate anything else. 250cc 2-stroke. She'll haul.
Yeah.